Hi there. Can you help me find a gift for my sister?
Of course. What are you thinking of getting her?
Maybe a book or a nice scarf. Do you have any recommendations?
For books, I suggest checking out the mystery section. Does she like reading?
Yes, she loves mystery novels. What about scarves? Are there any trendy ones?
Absolutely. We have some beautiful scarves in different colors and patterns. What's her style like?
She prefers classic colors, like black or navy blue. Do you have anything like that?
Yes, we do. Let me show you some options.
Great, thank you. How much are the scarves?
They range from $20 to $40 depending on the fabric and design.
I think she will love this navy blue one. Can I pay by credit card?
Of course. We accept all major credit cards. Would you like it gift wrapped?
Yes, please. That would be perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope your sister likes the gift.
I am sure she will. By the way, do you have any accessories like earrings or bracelets?
Yes, we have a lovely collection of jewelry as well. Are you looking for something specific?
Maybe a pair of elegant earrings. What do you recommend?
These silver hoop earrings are quite popular and versatile. They can go well with casual or formal outfits.
They look great. How much are they?
They're $25. Would you like to add them to your purchase?
Yes, please. I think my sister will love them too. Can I pay for everything together?
Of course. Let me ring you up. Here's your total. Would you buy anything else?
Yes. Do you have any sports shoes in size 10?
Yes, we have a variety of athletic shoes in that size. Let me show you.
Could you help me find a gift for my mom's birthday?
Of course. What does she like?
I am looking for a warm winter coat. Any recommendations?
We have a new collection of insulated jackets that might interest you.
Is there a fitting room where I can try these on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are right over there to your left.
Do you sell gift cards?
Yes, we have gift cards available for purchase at the checkout counter.
Can I exchange the shirt for a different color?
Certainly, as long as it's within our exchange policy time frame.
What's the return policy for these headphones?
Returns are accepted within 30 days with the original receipt.
Are there any discounts or promotions happening today?
Yes, we have a special promotion on jeans where you get 20% off.
Do you have organic skincare products?
Yes, we carry a range of natural and organic skincare brands.
How often do you get new inventory?
We receive new stock every week, so there's always something fresh.
Are these products tested on animals?
No, all our beauty products are cruelty-free.
Can I track my order online?
Yes, you will receive a tracking number once your order is processed.
What's the warranty on this camera?
The camera comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty.
Do you offer gift wrapping services?
Yes, we have complimentary gift wrapping available.
Are there any upcoming sales I should know about?
We have a big clearance sale next weekend with up to 50% off.
Can I get a discount for buying in bulk?
We can offer you a bulk discount if you are purchasing more than 5 items.
Is there a loyalty program I can join for discounts?
Yes, we have a loyalty program that offers exclusive discounts and rewards.
Can I try out this laptop before purchasing?
Certainly, we have demo units available for testing.
What's the lifespan of these batteries?
The batteries typically last around 8 to 10 hours with regular use.
Do you offer price matching if I find the same item cheaper elsewhere?
Yes, we have a price match policy. Just bring in the ad or website link.
Are there any installation services available for these appliances?
Yes, we offer installation services for most appliances for an additional fee.
Can I customize the color of this sofa?
Unfortunately, the sofa comes in standard colors, but we have other options available.
Do you have a mobile app for easier shopping?
Yes, we have a mobile app where you can browse and make purchases conveniently.
Are there any educational discounts for students?
Yes, students with valid IDs can enjoy special discounts on select items.
Thank you so much for your help. This was a breeze with your assistance.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help you find the perfect gifts. Don't hesitate to come back if you need anything else.